Thank you, Mr. President, Mr. Floor Leader. For action points, I propose to pass two resolutions. First is resolution requesting Governor Arthur Defensor Jr. to appropriate funds for the implementation of the Provincial Ordinance No. 15, Series of 1995, and providing necessary equipment and facilities to cater to the needs of officials, employees, and clients within the capital compound. I just heard, Mr. Presiding Officer, that just this morning there is an emergency of one of our employees here, and our clinic doesn't have even an ambulance to address to such emergency situation. So that is why I have included to if the provincial government can provide equipment and facilities to cater the needs of our officials, employees, and clients. So basi kita man, ito man na pangayo. So our clinic just waiting for ambulance from our district hospitals to serve our employee. And second is to a resolution requesting the HRMDO and PHO to implement the Provincial Ordinance No. 15, Series of 1995, with focus on the schedule of annual general physical examination of all officials and employees.
Leader moves that the two proposed resolutions of the Honorable Palabrica be approved.
So move. Any second the motion? Unanimously seconded. Motion is approved on the two resolutions as sponsored by Honorable Matt P. Palabrica. Thank you, Board Matt.